Steel EMT connector. Set screw type with insulated throat from ELECMAN. Constructed from high-grade steel with zinc-plated finish. This fitting features an integrated insulated throat liner that protects cable insulation from abrasion. Its sturdy set of screw designed firmly locks EMT tubing to junction boxes and electrical enclosures. UL listed and compliant with UL 514 standards. It sustains reliable grounding continuity and strong vibration resistance. A complete size. Range covers 1/2 to 4 inches to meet various construction requirements. Simple for on-site assembly. This connector is widely adopted in residential, commercial, and industrial wiring, delivering extra safety protection for your electrical conduit systems.